So there are 7 main real estate sections of Manhattan Beach. You have the tree, sand, and hill section, which is located west of Sepulveda. And you have Liberty Village, Manhattan Village, Manhattan Heights, and Mira, Costa, which is located east of PCH. And right now I am in the Manhattan Heights section of Manhattan Beach, and that is located east of Sepulveda, west of Polliwog Park, between Marine and Manhattan Beach Boulevard. And this is a section of Manhattan Beach that has primarily single-family homes, although you do have townhomes as well. And it's a mixture of older homes and newer, larger homes. So you have some beach cottages that are on the smaller side, and then you have larger, newer homes like this one that's coming up, that's over 4,000 square feet.